Welcome viewers, welcome to my channel. Those who are new to my channel, I am Mrs. Gauri Dasgupta, and those who are my viewers, regular viewers of my channel, I am extremely sorry I could not send for 15 days your videos as I was out of station. Today we'll do one of the problems from the family of lines through the intersection of two lines. Find the equation of the lines through the point of intersection of x minus y plus 1 equal to 0, 2x minus 3y plus 5 equal to 0, whose distance from the point 3, 2 is 7, 5. Now, 7 by 5. Now, the family of lines through the intersection of the lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 is given by a1x plus b1y plus c1 plus lambda a2x plus b2y plus c2, where lambda is a perimeter. Lambda is a perimeter. Now see, a1x plus b1y plus c1 plus lambda a2x plus b2y plus c2 is our equation of first order. Is equal to 0, is of first order. So it is a straight line. Now it passes through alpha beta. Alpha beta. So I can write this a1 alpha plus b1 beta plus c1 plus lambda a2 alpha plus b2 beta plus c2 is equal to 0. So from here we can write x minus y plus 1 plus lambda 2x minus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. The two equations here, x minus y plus 1 and this is 2x minus 3y plus 5. We can write like this. Now it is given that whose distance from the point 3, 2. Now I can write here x plus 2 lambda. I can take coefficient of x is 1. 1 plus 2 lambda x plus minus 1 minus 3 lambda plus 1 plus 5 lambda is equal to 0. Now it passes through the point through 3 and 2. It passes through the point 1 plus y. Point 3, 2. So I can write 1 plus 2 lambda into 3 plus minus 1 minus 3 lambda into 2 plus 5 lambda is equal to 0. Now it is another thing is given, distance from is 7 by 5. So you know the distance formula, 7 by 5 is equal to 1 plus 2 lambda. I can add into 3 plus minus 1 minus 3 lambda into 2 plus 1 plus 5 lambda. Here 1 is left. 5 lambda plus 1 equal to 0. 5 lambda plus 1 equal to 0 is 5 lambda plus 1 under root 1 plus 2 lambda whole square plus minus 1 minus 3 lambda whole square. This is the formula. You know this is x square plus y square and this x1 into x2, y1 into y2 plus c. We can write this, the coefficient of this into this, the coefficient of this into this plus 5 lambda plus 1. Now I can write here 3 plus 6 lambda plus minus 2 minus 6 lambda plus 5 lambda plus 1. And here it is under root 1 plus 4 lambda plus 4 lambda square plus 1 plus 9 lambda square plus 6 lambda. So this and this cancel. This is 7 by 5. And this is 5 lambda plus 2. And here it is under root 13 lambda square plus 6 lambda plus 2. See here, this is 1 plus 1, 2, and this is 6 plus 4, 10 lambda. This is equal to 7 by 5. Now we can write here, this is 7 under root, I can write from here, 13 lambda square plus 10 lambda plus 2 is equal to 25 lambda plus 2. 5 to the 10 multiplying. So I can square the both the side. This is 49. This is 13 lambda square plus 10 lambda plus 2 is equal to 25 lambda plus 10. Students, now you can solve. I am giving you 5 seconds. You just solve this one. What is the value of lambda? I think you have calculated. See here, this will be also square. So this will be also square. So this is 625 lambda square plus 500 lambda plus 100, and this is equal to 49 into 13 lambda square plus 490 lambda plus 98 lambda. So lambda squared I can take 625 minus 49 into 13 plus 500 minus 490 lambda plus 100 minus 98 is equal to 0. Now you can solve. Now we can find out 49 into 13, 637. So minus 12 lambda square plus 10 lambda plus 2 equal to 0. So I can write here minus I can take common, minus 2 I can take common. So this is 6 lambda square minus 5 lambda minus 1 is equal to 0. So I can write 6 lambda squared minus 6 lambda plus lambda minus 1 equal to 0. You can factorize 6 lambda, you can take common, lambda minus 1 plus 1 you can take common, lambda minus 1 equal to 0. So lambda minus 1 equal to 0 or 6 lambda plus 1 equal to 0. Imply that lambda is equal to 1 and lambda is equal to minus 1 by 6. Now you can put, you will get two equations, x minus y plus 1 plus 2x minus 3y plus 5, putting lambda equal to 1. So this is x minus y plus 1 plus 2x minus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. So this is equal to 3x minus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0. One equation. Another equation will be minus 1 by 6. X minus y plus 1 plus 1 by 6. 2x minus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. Now you can calculate. This is 6x minus 6y plus 6 plus 2x minus 3y plus 5 by whole by 6. So this is immaterial, 6x. So this is 8x minus 9y 11 equal to 0. So you are getting two equations. This is 1 and this is 2. You check the arithmetical problem here. So क्या करना है? What you have to do? First equation 1 को हम lambda is a perimeter उसके साथ multiply कर देंगे. Then we can find out in the expression in this form. So it is a linear equation of 1 degree. So we can find in this is a straight line. It passes through the point 3, 2. तो 3 and 2 को put कर दिए इसमें. ये डिस्टेंस बोल रहा है 7/5. 7/5 इंटू द डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला हम यूज किए हैं. डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला यूज करके दोनों तरफ स्क्वायर करके देन यू कैन फाइंड इट इज वेरी इजी अरिथमेटिकल. Please share my channel, like it and subscribe it, children, and if you have any difficulties you can ask.